I put my socks in a jar. They've never been this white before. White socks lose their brightness quickly, collecting stains and dirt that regular washing can't remove. But there's a simple trick to fix that. Take a large jar and place your dirty socks inside. Add 1 laundry pod, which effectively dissolves dirt and removes stains. Next, add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. It helps soften grime and prevents fabrics from turning gray. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to whiten and neutralize odors. Take a piece of aluminum foil, tear it into smaller parts, and roll them into small balls. Drop them into the jar, then pour in hot water. Seal the jar tightly and shake vigorously to mix the ingredients. Let the socks soak for 10 minutes. During this time, the active ingredients will break down dirt and restore the bright white color. Take them out and see the results. Clean, fresh, and white as new. No scrubbing, no harsh chemicals. Try this trick and say goodbye to gray socks forever.